Hey guys, welcome to LaraTapes. There are some new things that are added to Laravel version 8.68.0 and we'll be discussing that here. First of all, there is new hasAny method added to a collection. So let me show you that. Data hasAny, and here we'll say, let's say name, and what it does is if this name is present over here, then it will return true. So let's see that. You can see here it's a true. Now let's say if we pass any other data, let's say error like this, then also it will return true because it has any one of these keys present over here. So let's again run this. You can see here it is again returning true, which means that if at least one of the keys is present, then it will return true. But before there was has method and it will return false if any one of the keys not present in this collection instance. So if I run this, then you can see here false. But if I just remove this and if I again run the test, it will return true. And again, let's say if I add here platform like this, then also it will return true because it has both the keys over here. So that's the difference between has and hasAny. Now the next thing that is added is to the test response. So I am here in now feature test, and I have already created an API over here like this. So let me just comment this first. So I have just returned here a JSON response, and now here I'll say here API/test because this one is the test and which is inside API. Now here the new thing that is added is this response DD method. It will dump whatever the JSON response that is returned from this API. So let me run this. So you can see the result. This is same as this one. Not only DD, but we can also do DD headers like this, and it will dump all the headers. And also we can dump the session data. And of course we don't use sessions in the APIs, but we use them in the session based system. So in that case, if there are any sessions, then you can also dump those. You can do here DD sessions. Now let's run this. You can see here empty array because there are no data in the sessions. So now let me just uncomment this. So there is test and test2 and value2. And if I again run it, then you can see here the test data. But there is one more thing. We can pass here argument also. Let's say here test like this. And if I rerun it, then it will only return me this test value. And there is one more very small helper method that is added, which can be used inside the migrations. I'll show you here in the browser that. So here on our table, we could before write like table on update and restrict. Now we can directly write this restrict on update. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.